Can AI replace your doctor? Not in 10 years, not in 20. It's happening right now, and you probably didn't even notice. But here's what no one's telling you: AI is already better than doctors at spotting cancers in medical scans, diagnosing rare diseases in minutes, predicting if a patient in ICU will crash before the machines even beep. This isn't science fiction, it's happening in real hospitals today. Think of a doctor's job like this: 80% is thinking, making diagnoses, analyzing symptoms, processing data. AI is starting to outperform humans at all of that. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't forget, it learns faster than any human alive. But wait, people say doctors have empathy, AI can't feel. That sounds comforting until you realize your doctor might not feel anything either. What matters is not whether AI feels empathy, but whether it can emulate it convincingly. And spoiler, it already does, with a calm voice, eye contact simulation, and perfect emotional timing. But there's still one thing AI can't do yet: touch. It can't perform surgery, can't feel a swollen lymph node, can't deliver a baby, not today, not tomorrow. That's the one piece that's still human. The truth is, AI isn't coming to replace all doctors. It's coming to replace the parts of medicine that can be automated, which, let's be honest, is most of it. The doctors who survive won't be the ones who fight AI. They'll be the ones who learn to use it, the ones who focus on what only humans can still do. Because the future of medicine isn't human, isn't AI. It's the two together. This is just the beginning. If you're curious about where AI and medicine are headed, subscribe. You're watching Dr. AI, where medicine meets the machine.